Yo, what is up, cjct.online? Welcome to the level 3 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a sum and average game. So without further ado, let's get started. So like always, you want to open up Eclipse. And on the first line, you want to import a Java scanner. Okay, so how you do this is you want to import space Java dots util and then dot with a capital S scanner, and you want to end it off with the semicolon. Alright, so once you have imported the Java util scanner, you want to put in your public class, and my public class, which is stated up here, hello world. Okay, now once you do that, you want to open up a curly bracket. I'm going to space it up to make it look neater. In here, we're going to do public static void, just like always. Then main, capital S string, open and close box, args, and you want to open up a curly bracket here. Okay, now once you've done that, this is where you want to input your scanner. So you want to do scanner input equals to new scanner in brackets system dot in. Alright, and you want to end things off with a semicolon. Okie dokie. So once you've done that, we're going to do a few system out prints. So if you haven't seen my previous video, the shortcut for system out print is sys out control space, and in here you want to make a quotation. You can call this anything you want, but just in my case I would just call it welcome to the sum and average game. Okay, just like so. You can do anything you want. This is what I'll do. So after that, you want to do another system output, and in this system output, you can say how many numbers would you like to enter. Alright, so what this text mainly is for the sum and average game, you have the choice to put any amount of numbers you want. And so this is the text for it. Now to make this function, like my level 2 video, we're going to add 2 integers. Well, 3 integers throughout this whole process. So first thing what you want to do is you want to put int, which stands for integer, and I'll call this a. So int a equals to input dot next with a capital I int. Okay, and you want to open and close a bracket and end it off with the semicolon. Now that's for the a. Now for the next one, you want to do the sum. So you want to do int sum equals to 0 semicolon. Okay, now below here you want to make a for statement. So it says for, which is basically like for example. So for int, so if int I equals to 0 semicolon, I greater than a semicolon, another semicolon. Now this one you just want to do I and then plus plus. Okay, you following along? Now at the end of this you want to open up a curly bracket, and below here one more system output, and this is where you let the user enter a number. Okay, now this bottom part is very important. So this is for the sum of the number plus the inputted number dot next int, and then open and close a bracket and end it with a semicolon. Okay. Sum plus and equals. Okay. So the sum is added and it equals to the input that next int. So end it all with the curly bracket there. Now in the next line here, you want to skip forward to this curly bracket because this curly bracket is for this one. Alright, so below that curly bracket, this is where we are going to do the integer. So we're going to do another int for the average. So this calculates the average. So average equals to sum divided by a, semicolon. And you want to do two more system outputs. So sys out here, and you write the sum is, and then over here you want to do plus sum. So that will give you the sum is in whatever the sum is in a number form. So once you do that, last system output, so sys out, control space, so that gives you the sum. This gives you the average. So the average of the number is, and you do add average. Okay, so this is basically it, guys. Let's run the code and I'll walk you through the console. Alright, so let's see here. First thing, welcome to the sum and average game. How many numbers would you like to enter? Alright, so you can do any number you want. You can say, let's say you want to do 5. So it'll tell you, it'll let you enter in 5 different numbers. So my first number, 3, 4, 2, 7, and let's say 6. So enter in 5 numbers, and the sum of the 5 numbers is 22. And then if you average it all up, it is 4. Alright, so this is with 5. Sorry for the barking dog. So this is with 5 numbers. So let's try this out with another amount of numbers. So instead of 5, we can do, say, 9. Okay, so 9 different numbers. We can do a bigger number. 33, 6, 7, 89, 345, 1, 2, 3, 6, 6, 8, 7, and okay. With all these numbers, the sum is 2,109, and the average of all these 9 numbers is 234. Alright, well, that's it for this tutorial. Please feel free to comment or email me if you have any questions, and hope to see you for the level 4 video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and peace out.